Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're heading to Cebu for another exciting travel adventure. We've been looking forward to this trip because Cebu has so many amazing places to explore. From beautiful beaches and breathtaking views to delicious food and fun activities. In this vlog, we'll take you with us from the airport, arriving in Cebu, and everything we'll be doing throughout the trip. So come travel with us as we start our Cebu adventure. Ayun. Saan tayo punta sa yun?
Going to the sea. Yes, we're going to. Pwede, kami pwedeng kumain muna tayo ng Jollibee.
Nandiyan na kasi siya eh.
30 minutes.
Take out siguro. We arrived at the airport just in time for the private tour we booked. Originally, we planned to have breakfast at the airport before starting the tour, but since they couldn't stay long at the parking area, our driver decided to bring us to the nearest Jollibee instead. Honestly, it turned out to be a good idea because we finally got to relax a bit and enjoy breakfast before starting a long day of exploring Cebu. We've been really excited about this part of the trip because Cebu Safari is one of the most popular attractions here in Cebu. We heard the place is huge and home to so many different animals and beautiful scenery. So let's see what Cebu Safari Park has to offer and enjoy the experience together.
Feeding 10:30, white tiger feeding 2:30 p.m. and giraffe feeding is 3 p.m. So reminders ma'am sir, no using flash photographies and selfie sticks, no running, no shouting, and no smoking inside.
First show. 10:30 na ba? 10:30 ba?
Tsaka ano siya, mas dark. Dark brown. Iba yung color nung sa ano, no? Sa Thailand. Sa Thailand parang peach eh.
Pink na pink talaga.
Small one over there, that is the Thompson's gazelle. So they are the cutest and smallest antelope here in Savannah, and that is their adult size. But despite the small size, they still run up to 80 kilometers per hour. The small one with the black stripe on it is again our Thompson's gazelle and Jack's buck or orange gazelle. And also we have here our impala. And next we have here, so those without a horn, those are the water buck. They have a strong association with water using it to evade predators. Also, fun facts about the male water buck. So if you notice na nasa like quandre sila neck, dira mag-store ang ilang mga cats. Mga grass din po. And despite their big size, they can also jump 8 feet. Ilan has the zebra that is named born and raised here in Cebu Safari. So zebra has a black skin with white eyes and is bright and unique, just like our fingerprints.
That's a real the beast.
Zebras having the same pattern. Once again, that is named Random. And to your right side, the brown one with the white markings on its face, that is the black bag. And the white markings on the faces serves as a built-in sunscreen, which protects them from zebras are pregnant for 13 months.
Pack your dreams,
Sa lubid mo?
Kuya, nakakabit na lahat yan ha.
golden
Yes, ma'am.
Teka, kuya! Teka. Teka lang.
worries, no more fear.
Yan to.
Yes, ma'am.
Nasa niyo po ako.
Yes, dyan lang po.
Teka
lang.
Got no map, but that's alright.
Okay lang po yan, ma'am.
Chase the
Uupuan mo yan.
sun into the night. Every heartbeat,
Okay, upo ma'am, upo.
every
Then, hawak lang sa lubid.
a brand new world.
Okay. Opo. Opo, ma'am, opo. Okay. Taas mo yung paa, ma'am.
Travel with
Opo.
me
Taas mo yung paa.
across the sea.
Taas, ma'am.
Kuya,
Mountains wild
Taas, ma'am,
and
taas.
free. Dancing through cities, chasing the breeze.
Yes, ma'am. Tama po yan.
Come on, travel with me. Travel with me. Where dreams over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars.
Yes, ma'am. Safe.
Nakabit mo na lahat
Yes,
ha?
ma'am. Nakabit na po.
Come on,
Taas mo lang yung paa, ma'am.
travel with me.
Taas, ma'am.
Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon
Okay, taas, ma'am.
skies,
Taas, ma'am.
painting the world with you and
Naman
I.
nakatakas, kuya.
Yes, ma'am.
Got
Eh,
no
doon mo lang po.
map, but that's alright. We'll find the magic every night,
3,
every
2,
laugh,
1. Shout, ma'am!
a memory we'll always keep. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me, underneath a thousand skies. We'll leave the past and say goodbye. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me
ko sa taas no, kuya. Muntik na ako mag-back out. Nainip na si kuya dito sa babae. Parang ayoko ng Spider-Man.
Ako yung ibang yung naano nyo, napili.
Opo. Pero hindi ko na,
Pero hindi po siya, ano,
hindi ko na kasi kaya. Yung nanginginig ako. Teka lang.
yung wait lang.
Nanginginig ako.
Ngayon lang po, ma.
Thank you, kuya. Nanginginig yung kamay.
Yes, after this, okay? Sayon! Laki sayon, oh! Ayun, oh! Ayun, oh, si Otter, oh! Ayun, oh! Sayon, oh! Wait lang. Mm. Ang isa tulog ang isa. Hindi niya makita eh.
Sa polka dot?
Wait lang. Hi ka muna sa monkey. Hi. What is he eating?
She's eating bread.
Meron? Sleeping na naman. Ay, sleeping naman yan.
Only one.
Yeah. Yes, it's only one.
Because the other one is on your feet.
See him? Did you see? Did you see?
Hyena. Wow, very good, giraffe. Count mo yung giraffe. Count.
How many giraffe?
How many?
1,
3.
3.
Very good. Hawak ka sa bag ni mami.
Orangutan. Siyan. Orangutan.
Ang babae man na. Tong, lalaki sa babae.
Monkey. Monkey.
So fun. So fun. Ay!
Says here. Tiger.
Laki.
The tiger says roar. The tiger says roar. Say hi to the tiger. Donkey says, hey. Ano, donkey oh. Hi, donkey.
Not moving. Sleeping.
Parang.
Nakaharang. Sayang, no? Mama. Ay!
Hello, Lama. Hello, Lama.
Wait lang sayon.
Lamas. 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 My first time na person. Lamas. Ano na tatlo? Lambi man sila.
Sayon. Bibili ka bang cake? Wait lang. Room tour. Sa left side ay ang toilet and shower. May lavatory. Ay! Mirror. Hand and body lotion. And liquid soap. Tapos mayroong dental kit and vanity kit. Then, toilet with bidet and tissue. Then, mayroong towels. Tapos, dito sa shower, mayroong body wash and shampoo. Hot and cold shower to. Ano, Nico? Then, dito sa right side ay cabinet with hammers. Tapos, dito may mirror ulit. And then, water, electric kettle. Ano to? Cream. Coffee, sugar. Tapos mugs and cups. Ito pala Nico, may fridge eh. May mini fridge. Siya lang. Dito, lagyan ng luggage. Then, meron ulit mirror. Full body mirror. May double bed and single bed. And meron naka-tiger shirt. Yan ang plancha. Dial 0. Ayun, Nico. Card on top of the bed means I want my bed sheets changed. Card on top of the bedside table means no need to change my bed sheets. Everyday sila nag-change ng bed sheets. Kapag papalitan natin, lalagay natin yung card sa ibabaw ng bed. Okay. Tapos, dito merong TV. Coffee table. And mirror ulit. Tapos, working desk. As blower. Uy, may sewing kit pa. Yan. Then, syempre, air condition to. Ito yung view sa room namin. Parang sa likod na to ng ano. Ganda, no? Maluwag. Na? Dami pa mirror. Apat na mirror. Sayon! Anong binili mo sa Cebu Safari Park? Sea otter and parrot ba yan? O Macau? Macau? Show mo yung Macau. Ano sabi mo kay mami? Ano sabi mo kay mami? Uy. Kay kuya yung makawa. Okay.
I want to watch it.
Anong nilagay mo? Sausawa ng lechon. Suka ba yan? taon eh. Maglagay mo ako dito rin. Parang apat lang yung ano.
Wala sa paglalagay.
Yung walang gusto ko eh. Eh, nailabas mo na lahat ng family ako. Wala na nagka-picture. Wala na nagka-picture. So, yeah. Magbibigay lang ako ng some details regarding sa travel namin. So, first, we flew via Cebu Pacific and ang flight namin is 5:15 a.m. and dumating kami sa Mactan Airport ng 6:30 a.m. And then, for today's itinerary, punta kami sa Cebu Safari Adventure Park and nag-avail kami ng private tour. So, yung binook namin na private tour, pinick up kami sa airport ng around 7 a.m. So, yung travel from Mactan Airport to Cebu Safari Adventure Park is 1.5 to 2 hours. Park schedule is from Monday to Friday and open din sila on holidays. And yung time is from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, dumating kami doon ng around 9 a.m. And doon pa lang kami bumili ng ticket. Total na binayaran namin is 5,500 pesos. Ano yung binili mo? Tubig lang? Kala ko bibili kang chichirya. Tapos, yung mga kailangan dalhin kapag pupunta kayo sa Safari Adventure Park. Towels, USB fan, extra shirt, hat, and tumbler, water. Kasi ang lalayo ng mga restaurant, no, Nico? Tapos, after namin sa Adventure Park, bumalik na kami dito sa hotel. Ay, hindi pala kami bumalik. After namin sa Adventure Park, hinatid na kami ng driver dito sa hotel and nag-check-in na kami. Tapos, nag-rest sandali and lumabas kami. Pumunta kami ng House of Lechon. Anong masasabi mo sa House of Lechon, Nico? Lechon. It's a house full of lechon. Nagustuhan ko yung yung lechon nila kapag merong yung suka, 'di ba? Tapos yung balat niya crunchy pero bitin. Bitin sa balat, pero masarap siya basta may suka. Tapos yung yung sisig, nagustuhan mo, Nico. Yung mo masyadong gusto.
May spices kasi, may oregano yan.
May spices kasi. Okay naman sa akin. Nilalagyan ko din siya ng suka. Tapos, meron din nung cheese stick na akala ni Zion ay Shanghai. Bet ko yung cheese stick, makakapal yung cheese niya sa loob na, Nico. Ayun. So, okay naman yun sa House of Lechon. And that wraps up our first day here in Cebu. From arriving at the airport, exploring Cebu Safari Park, trying the skyride activities, checking in at our hotel, and ending the day with a delicious dinner. It has been a fun and memorable start to our trip. We're definitely tired from all the walking and exploring, but we're also excited for the adventures waiting for us tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on our first day in Cebu. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of our travel vlogs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye!